Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate a 1-minute sit-up. So what sit-ups can do, and it can test your muscle endurance about your abdomen muscle. So first of all, we need a yoga mat. And student, please stand here. And the student should sit on the yoga mat. And the feet should be flat on the ground and touch together. Also, knee, ankle, and the hips should be 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. And then the student will lay down on the yoga mat. They will cross the hand, both hands touch to the shoulder. Okay. Also, make sure the arms touch to their bodies, not flying out. Okay. So another student should use their hand to hold the tester feet ankle, and then the tester should use the elbow touch to the knee. So let's perform one sit-up. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, so this is the starting position. Okay, come up here. And then make sure the back is flat and the elbow should touch the knee. Okay, down. And then also make sure the scapula will put it in the ground. So let's do one sit-up. 1. That's 1. 2. That's 2. So this is the sit-up video. Thank you. Okay, that's it.